Most people stack brand new silver bars, and I like them too. I like the new ones, but you know what? I like the old ones. And after holding these ones in my hand, I think they might actually be better. This is Troy Ounce, the Silver Stacker. Today we're talking about vintage silver bars and why I kind of prefer them to the new ones. Now check it out. I have a 1 ounce, 3/9 fine 1974 Father's Day bar by Mother-Lode Mint. It's really cool. It's got a picture of a father with two children. It looks like maybe a boy and a girl sitting on the edge of a bank near the water, and you can see a sailboat there. It's got a raised design. You can feel it when you rub your finger across it. It's kind of framed. It's just really sweet. And on the other side, it's got the pick and shovel and Mother-Lode in cursive. It's got a really cool design and feel to it. And then I also have a 1 ounce 3/9 fine Silver Towne from Winchester, Indiana, 1988 graduation bar. Check it out. It's got again, this one's got a raised design too. You can see it's got a cap, a graduation cap here. It looks like you got a rolled up diploma and some textbooks. And just check out how cool the toning is on these things. It's got this discoloration, this almost, of course they're kind of dirty too, but you got this like burned look. I mean, the one looks like it's kind of burned on the edges. Very cool and unusual. I mean, check out the age. I mean, the one is nearly 52 years old, and the other one's nearly 38 years old. They got character. I came across these at my LCS, and they were like nothing else that they had at the time. I said, I got to check these out. So I bought them. And another thing I really like about these guys is it's just not ounces of silver here. I mean, you got some history. Now, I don't know the people that own these things, but over 50 years or 30 something years, you got to imagine at least there is one owner and that they enjoyed these things for a while. It just has some history behind it. Now, these are some of the reasons why I think they might be better than the new stuff, at least for me. There's a limited supply. When you start getting silver that's 30, 40, 50, maybe 60, maybe 100 years old, I mean, sometimes these things aren't made anymore, these designs and where they're from. So there's fewer of them out on the market. They might have very unique designs from anything you have seen on some of these sites, SD Bullion, JM Bullion, or wherever else. I mean, it's just unique. Really cool engravings. They're just so cool to look at. I just don't have the adjectives to describe them. But they may have a bit of a collector appeal too when they're that old. And in some cases, maybe even a slight numismatic value. And all of this could mean that there might be the potential premium upside. I can't guarantee it, but just maybe, depending. Here's the thing. This is the way I look at it. Anyone can buy a new silver bar, but not everyone can find one of these. They're unique. Very, very cool. Now, someone might say, but what's the downside? Well, is there a downside? Maybe. They might be harder to value, but you can always get some percentage of melt value, worst case. They're not always recognized by new stackers. Again, not everybody wants old silver. A lot of times people want the cheaper, the lower premium, shiny, perfect, flawless, recognizable silver, for the most part. And something like this, maybe the premiums can vary more from LCS to LCS and person to person. It depends on, who desires it more than the other. And that only matters if you're looking to sell the thing. Now, let me tell you this. I'm not looking to replace all my silver with vintage bars. I just add them more and more as I come across the things. It's rare that I find any, but when I do, they always intrigue me, and if the price is right, I'll get it. Because for me, stacking's just not about total ounces. It's about owning something real with some real history behind it. Something I really enjoy, something I like which still has value, and then I can get it at a good, fair price. So, my question for you, friends, would you rather stack brand new silver or old bars like this? Or does it even matter to you? Let me know in the comments. Tell me about some of the old silver that you have. I sure would like to know about it. I know others would. I like to read all of the comments, and I respond. I think I've responded to everyone that's come across so far. And remember this: stack smart, stack silver. This is Troy Ounce, the Silver Stacker. See you on the flip side.